Hello everyone. So we are back with another video. In this video, we will discuss about basics of test automation or what you require prior to starting your automation in your project. So let's begin. First and foremost part is to decide the goal of your automation. That is what you need from automation. Is your goal is to reduce regression cycle? Is your goal is to enable sprint automation? Or is your goal is to enable continuous testing? Now, once your goal is decided, it is very important to convey your goal to every stakeholder. And believe me, it helps. Let's take an example. You have decided to implement Insprint automation, but your developer is not aware of it. Now ask yourself, can you achieve it? No, obviously, because you have to collaborate with dev to sort down all your locators. Hence, conveying your goal to every stakeholder, be it dev, BA, product owner, or scrum master, it is important. Let's move on. Another important part is to decide your execution strategy. That is when and how you want to execute your test cases. Anytime you want, you can manually click on run button and execute your test cases anytime you want, multiple times a day. You can schedule a job using scheduler whenever new code is checked in. So you want to execute your test cases whenever developers checked in some new code. So you can do it using CI/CD tool. Now, if this is decided earlier, it will be very easy to implement it since from beginning you know what you have to achieve. Let's move on to another point. Now you have to decide which level of test pyramids you want to automate. You want to automate only your UI test cases. You want to automate only your API test cases, that is service level, or you want to automate both UI as well as API. Now, another important point is to build a scalable solution. So since starting only design your framework in such a way that later you can run it your test cases on multiple environment, different browser, and if you want to execute your test cases parallelly, that also you can do. Last point I would like to tell is choose your test automation tool wisely. Don't go by vague idea to pick only open source tool. Maintenance and training will be huge task if you don't know coding. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos on test automation.